Hey everybody, it's me, Rob, and I am here at our campsite in Death Valley National Park. Today is November 14th, 2019, and this is the official first day that Texas Springs is open. Apparently they are only open from November to April, maybe? I'm not sure. But it's a first come, first served campsite and campground. And I'm surprised at how nice it is, and I wanted to show you where we're at and what we have going on here. But I'm in the lower loop is where I'm at, and it is it's for tents only. The RVs are up that way, so it'll be super quiet here at night and quite dark. But it's kind of fun. Here's our campsite over here. You've got the car, picnic table that is super clean, a very nice fire pit, and we have the tents set up. This is the hike and bike Zion 2-person, and this is the Yosemite, this hike and bike Zion 2-person. We're going no rain fly because there's no rain expected. And it's beautiful. It's warm enough. It gets down to about 55 at night right now. It's 78 degrees. We get a little bit warmer as the day goes on. But the screens here allow us to see the stars all night. And that's very, very nice. So it's a very long campsite. You can see it goes way out there. And then this road goes around. And there is a set of trash down here. And one of the things that I noticed is throughout the campsites, there are these posts right here with the water spigot on them. Now, I'm thinking maybe because it is the first day of the season, they have yet to hook up, if they still do it, the water spigots. But within easy walking distance from our camp is a bathroom right there with running water, flushable toilets. They actually even have, and I will show you this as a courtesy for people to see, because I know that as you try to figure out what you're going to do and where you're going to go, sometimes you don't know what to expect. But you'll see up here, as I walk up to the bathroom, they actually have a wash basin where you can wash your dishes, resupply your water. It's very nice. As you come up, you can see the Badwater Basin over there, and as you come up here, the Sunset Campground, which is open all year, is right down here. You come up this road right here, and you raise up a little bit, but right here, as you enter, there's a self-pay. So what you do is you simply drive in, you pick your site, which are all numbered, and then you come back to the self-pay, you pay for a site, and then you hang your ticket up on your site, denoting where you're staying. I don't know how many sites there are, maybe 20 down here and 20 up above. But again, there's the self-pay. Here's the restroom. There's running water, and you can see it's gorgeous here. Joelle and I picked a site that is farther away from the bathroom, primarily because the sites along this berm here will be less windy. For any of you that have been here, you know that Death Valley gets pretty windy. We have had no wind while we're here, which has surprised me, but it's been very favorable with regard to the weather. Mid-70s, high 70s, maybe 85 during the day at the lowest elevations. But out here, it is very comfortable enough I can wear long pants, although I am starting to get a little hot, but no wind. But again, the berms over there, they will protect against an onslaught of wind, but also you'll notice on these campsites that are along the back side here, they all have these junipers that shade your site. So I have actually shade for the car. The picnic table is shaded, it's over there, and both of our tent camps camp tents are shaded, so it's keeps them cool during the day. So I just thought that I would do a quick review of Texas Springs. It costs $16 a night to stay here. It is a first come, first serve. There's no reservation that's available. But it did say on the Death Valley website that it's rare that any of the campsites are full. The only one I think that would get full is Furnace Creek. It's kind of a luxury RV site. But even coming up here, for those of you that have RVs, there is a water filling station, and I think there's a dump station there. I can't be for sure because I didn't pay attention. We don't have any tanks to dump. But what a beautiful, incredibly well manicured and clean place to camp. So for those of you that are looking for a place to stay in Death Valley in the cooler seasons, November, December, January, February, March, this is unbelievable. I tell you, it's great. Worth every penny of the $16. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll be making more videos, I think, for this trip pretty soon. Okay.